Yes, isang magandang araw po mga kapuso at kapamilya, ano? Ngayon na naman ay ipapakita ko sa inyo ang bagong laban ni Naoya Inoue versus TJ Duhaime. Ito ay naganap ngayong araw, September 3, 2024, ano? So, yan po. Isa na namang napakagandang
an injury and is unable to continue.
Yeah, very anticlimactic ending, but listen, a win is a win. And a stoppage is a stoppage. Now Inoue moves forward. He was starting to break Dominic down. You can see.
Hard for this moment, this opportunity, and he did have some moments, but I mean, you saw him get tagged to the left there.
And, you know, in hindsight, he could have had something going on. Yeah, see, Pac. Yeah.
You take a couple more look and he's kind of grimacing about kind of getting hit in his back earlier.
No, he got hit. He got hit with a very nice liver shot right before that. But you see him. But also, like I said, in hindsight, remember when the corner said, "How bad do you want it, TJ?" When he was walking out to the round. So were they discussing his back in between rounds? Was there an issue at the end of that round?
Well, it certainly looked like it to me, which is why I said what I said when he went back to the corner, but of course not sitting there ringside being able to see, I don't know if it's his hip, his back, but you could definitely see at the end of the sixth round, like something was bothering him. Perhaps they were trying to just get him to mentally try to block it out, see how much more he could do, because that expletive